are you guys? As usual, before we jump to the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumb, and turn the notification on. Today's tutorial is how to crochet this simple bralette that's suitable for beginner and consume less yarns. You can check the description box for all materials needed and start the project by making 28 chains as your foundation chain. Now let's start making the star stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the second chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next, yarn over, pull through all the loops so you have 11 loops on your hook. Chain 1, and we have our first star stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the star stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the current chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain. 11 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops. Chain 1, and we have our second star stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the star stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the current chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain. 11 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all the loops. Chain 1, and we have our third star stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 1, yarn over, insert the hook into the star stitch, yarn over, insert the hook into the current chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, insert the hook into the next, yarn over, and pull through all the loops. Chain 1, and we have our next star stitch. We have 4 star stitches in total, and repeat the same steps until you reach the end of the chain. I am here at the end, and this is how your worksheet look like. I already have my last star stitch here. Now let's insert a double crochet into the last stitch. Please excuse my additional 1 chain because I was miscount. And we're finished with our first row. Let's move to the next row, making chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into the same stitch, 2 single crochet into the eye of the star stitch, 2 single crochets into the next eye of the star stitch, 2 single crochets into the next, and keep inserting 2 single crochets into each of the eye of the star stitch until you reach the end of the row. I am here at the end, and I already have my last 2 single crochets. Now insert a single crochet into the third chain of the previous row. So you better insert a stitch marker into this third chain at the beginning so you won't lose it, because it's so difficult to see sometimes. And we're done with our second row. Let's move to the next row. Chain 3. Turn your work. Yarn over, insert the hook into the second chain. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain. Yarn over, insert the hook into the current stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. 11 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops, chain 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the star stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the current stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1, and we finish our second star. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the star stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the current stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1, and we have our third star. Yarn over, insert the hook into the eye or the chain 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the star. Yarn over, insert the hook into the current stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next. Yarn over and pull through all the loops. Chain 1, and we have our fourth star. Continue working on the same steps until you reach the end of the row. I am here at the end, and I already have my last star stitch here. Now let's insert a double crochet into the last stitch. And we're finished with our third row. Move to the next row, make chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into the same stitch, 2 single crochets into the eye of the star stitch, 2 single crochets into the next eye, 2 single crochets into the next, and keep inserting 2 single crochets into the eye of the star stitch until you reach the end of the row. I am here at the end, and this is how it should look like. So I already have my last 2 single crochets here. Now for the last step, insert a single crochet into the third chain of the previous row. And we're done with our fourth row. Now make chain 3 and restart our next row. Turn your work and repeat row 3 and 4 until you have total of 78 rows. I have finished with my 78 rows, and this is how your work shall look like. Fasten off and cut the yarn once you finish. Grab your second color yarn, make a slip knot. You can also use only one color yarn, and if so, do not cut the yarn and just continue crocheting. Insert the yarn into the first stitch, so you need to turn your work first, and then insert the yarn into the first stitch. So basically we just continue what we did. Chain 1, and then make a single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next, and single crochet into the next. Continue working on single crochet along the row. I am here at the end and I already finished my single crochet on this row. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into the next, single crochet into the next, and continue working on single crochet along the row. I finished my single crochet on these rows and chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into the same stitch, skip 1 stitch, insert 3 double crochets into the next stitch, skip 1 stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, skip 1, insert 3 double crochets into the next stitch, skip 1, single crochet into the next, and continue working on the same steps until you reach the end of the row. I am here at the end and I already have my 3 double crochets. Now for the last step of this row, insert a single crochet into the last stitch. We're done with this row. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into the same stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, insert 3 double crochets into the next stitch, and double crochet into the next, single crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next stitch, 3 double crochets into the next stitch, double crochet into the next, and single crochet into the next stitch, double crochet into the next, 3 double crochets into the next, double crochet into the next, and single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat the same steps until you reach the end of the row. I'm here at the end and the last step is inserting a single crochet into the last stitch. We're finished with this row and let's working on the last row. Chain 1, turn your work, single crochet into the next 3 stitches, chain 2, single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into the next 2 stitches, slip stitch into the next stitch, single crochet into the next 3 stitches, chain 2, single crochet into the same stitch, single crochet into the next 2 stitches, and slip stitch into the next stitch, single crochet into the next 3 stitches, chain 2, single crochet into the same stitch, and single crochet into the next 2 stitches. Slip stitch into the next stitch, and continue working on the same steps until you reach the end of the row. I am here at the end and I already have my last single crochet. Now insert a slip stitch into the last stitch. And we're done with this row. Once you finish, fasten off and cut the yarn. We've done with the border of one side and move to the next side. Crochet the border following the same steps. I have finished the border on both sides and this is how your work shall look like. Now let's make the cord. Double pull your yarn, leave a long tail before making a slip knot. With the same 3mm crochet hook, start making 200 chains for the cord. Here is my 200 chains. Leave a long tail before you cut the yarn. Now let's insert the cord into the bralette, and this side with the gap over here will be our upper side. Turn your work upside down and start inserting the cord into each of the chain 2 space back and forth in one line. Once you reach the last space, grab another end of the cord and start inserting into the other side so the cord will be crossed into the next side. Alright, so I have finished inserting the cord and this is how your work should look like. Now grab the bead and insert it into the cords. I have finished inserting the beads. This is how your final bralette should look like. I also insert my lapel here and you have finished your PUSPA bralette. Thank you so much for following this tutorial and I hope that you enjoy making this bralette as much as I do. And I'm so excited to see each of your fashions, so please don't be hesitant to take me on my social. Please be informed that there will be part 2 of this design because this design comes with an outer. Make sure to follow me on my social so you won't miss any of my latest design. See you next video. Bye!